Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel Study Planet. Today we are going to study about the components of maps and about the scale. So let's start with today's video. First, let's watch a video to summarize today's topic. Now let's start by studying it in detail. First, we'll study about scale, as I showed you in the video about large scale and small scale. These are the two kinds of scales, and there are maps based on scales majorly. Scale is a ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. Basically, it means that if on the ground I have 500 meter and on the paper or on the map I'm showing 5 centimeter, I'm showing it only in 5 centimeter, it means the ratio is 500 is to 5 or 5 is to 500. And when we simplify this ratio, we get which means it is 100 times. Which means what we are showing on the map is 100 times in real. So, it's the distance shown on the map to the distance shown on the ground. Okay? Now comes components of maps, which are distance, direction, and symbols. So let's see. About distance, it was the introduction which I gave for scales. Distance has the major role of scales only. Now let's come to the second component, which is the direction. Most maps contain an N arrow marked like this shown in this map here. So why only N? Because with the N symbol we can identify the other three sides or the other three cardinal points. So let's read the whole part. So this arrow shows the north direction. It is called the north line. When you know the north direction, we can identify the other directions. As we all know that if this is the north direction, we have east on the right hand side of north and west on the left hand side. And the south obviously opposite to it. So now let's study about the cardinal points, which is the main part of our direction component. There are four major directions: north, south, east and west. They are cardinal points. Okay, so these north, south, east and west are known as cardinal points. Now you all know there is northwest, there northeast, there is southeast, their southwest. Okay. Now comes the intermediate directions. So the other four intermediate directions are northeast, this one, we have northwest, this one, southeast, this one, and southwest, this one. Now we can locate any place more accurately with the help of these intermediate directions, because I'll show it you on the map. Yes. So as you can see in the picture, you can locate, let's say we have to locate Andhra Pradesh in the terms of Indian direction. So east of India is Gujarat, then Arunachal Pradesh sorry, west of India is Gujarat and east of India is Arunachal Pradesh. So we will say that it's in the west, but it is not ideally in the west. If you see, it's in the southeast. You could see I have marked with the yellow circle. It's in the southeast. Okay. I hope you got it. Now let's go to symbols. Symbols are something used to represent very large buildings, wells, stations, temples, mosques, church, chhatri, etc. These are called the conventional symbols. You can see all the symbols in this picture. So, railway line, broad gauge, meter gauge, railway stations. This is broad gauge, meter gauge, and this is a sign of railway station. There are two kinds of roads, metal road, and this is a sign of unmetal road. International boundary, state boundary, and district boundary. We have river, well, tank, canal, bridge. Then we have a temple, we have a church, we have a mosque, we have a chhatri, we have a post office, we have post and telegraph office, we have police station, then we have our settlement, we have graveyard, and then finally we have trees and grass. So thank you everyone, hope you liked my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please comment in case of any doubt. Thank you, have a nice day.